Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. I can't honestly say that I am a miniature collector or a doll collector or anything like that, but I did get this little guy here. This is a little AI robot, and one of the issues that I ran into with it is there's no way to really stand this guy upright. Now, if you get one of the bodies by itself, it does come with this little stand, which is really nice. So I wanted something similar to this that I could actually stand him up on my desk. So I found this product here on Amazon. Let me show you guys what comes in the box. All right, so in the box, you're going to receive 2 stands. And you're also going to receive 2 of these little support arms for whatever it is you're trying to hold up. All right, so here's the stand. And like I said, you get 2 of these. So let's get right into it. All right, so the stands are metal, and these little arms are somewhat adjustable. So you're going to just press these together, and you're going to slide this inside pretty much like that. So this is the lowest height that it can actually be at, which is a little bit taller than this, but I don't think that's going to be an issue. Now, like I said, I wanted to be able to stand this guy up. So what I'm able to do now is I can kind of just wrap this around his neck, and now he can stand up on the desk. I can turn him on like I normally would. As you guys see, now, you know, especially with the white, it almost looks like it belongs there. And you don't see a lot of the arm when it's holding it. And then you can go through and do whatever it is you want to do. Hey, Eiliko, give me strength. That's like that. Just like that. So, all right, guys, so you're going to get 2 of these stands. So if you're looking for a way to be able to support your different figurines, your dolls, or whatever the case it is, I think this is going to be an excellent product for you guys to take a look at. All right, my friends, it is Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video showing you something that I found here on Amazon that I think is going to be ideal for my little desk setup, for my little buddy here. And hopefully this will work out for you guys as well. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out. All right, so the stands are metal. And then these little arms just fit inside like this. This is going to be pressure